reason why I decided to go to Trinity to complete the course was because my sister and my father went to Trinity before, and I wanted to prove that I would be able to rise to the challenge of being in college.
I decided to come to college to complete the course, to learn about myself and to get a qualification, so when I'm finished college I'll be able to get a job.
To continue my education and have a chance of getting a job.
I want to kind of take a bigger step, because I knew that Trinity would be the one. I wanted to see what it was like to kind of travel and to be more independent and to kind of get out of my shell. And
I decided to come to Trinity College to get a fresh start and to meet new people and just to have a lot of fun.
When I went to Trinity College, I did some workshops and I interviewed for the beginning. I was very happy of the course actually.
Why I decided to go to Trinity College is to learn more skills and to learn all the different types of subjects we've been going through over the last couple of years.
I wanted to get a job and I wanted to challenge myself and to learn new things.
I decided to come to Trinity College to learn, to see what college life is really like, to learn the classes, learn about disability rights, and so on.
In Karen Harcourt Street, going in there and doing my work, and the staff were very supportive.
In Mason Hayes in Corn, I enjoyed learning how to use the printer, the scanner, getting to know the place, getting to know where my office is.
in Icon, I got to use my photography skills because I had that on my CV, and it was an amazing experience.
In Novartis, I really enjoyed getting to meet new people who I had never met before, but also I liked working in all the different departments each week.
I did in Bank of Ireland in Medical Place Road. It was actually brilliant. I enjoyed working on my mentor. I did some Excel and all that and computer skills.
I did my work experience at the Bank of Ireland. I enjoyed everything and being on the computer because I love technology. I love computers, and I've always loved technology when I was little.
What I enjoyed the most about doing the work placement in GCAS this year was I enjoyed meeting new people out at that company and all the types of things what they do.
Today in our new, I felt really welcome. They learned different subjects. It was fun and it was interesting.
And the bodies, what I enjoyed most about the work placement was meeting the different teams, learning what they do and how they operate, learning how to work in a busy environment as well.
They covered what was expected of me in a job if I was working anywhere in Ireland.
The things we learned was, I suppose, the employee lifestyle, and what that entails, the list of employee rights, and also some the legal side of things.
I think the staff there, because they were explaining the stuff very understandable.
Different social media apps, what behavior is all about in the workplace, learning how to do emails and everything.
And knowing about different things what you can do and how to do interviews and how to present yourself and how to show yourself. So I felt it was really good about that.
I most enjoyed getting to meet all the new people in the workshops who I didn't get to meet in person.
I really enjoyed Smurf Kappa and I enjoyed ABIT Ireland and I enjoyed everything.
We learned about what's very important for you when you're actually trying to get a job.
I enjoyed that. I enjoyed everything.
Do well in my intern and then maybe get a job in the future. It'll mean a lot for me to have a job.
Here's something not afraid to ask for help and do my best and willing to learn.
Getting to enjoy the 6 months of being there and meeting new people.
I like to learn new skills, and I like to get a job after the internship job and maybe meet new people.
To get the skills I need to get a job, you know?
I wanted to get a job near closer to the city centre.
Like to more on the computer, like something every time. I would love to get a job soon, yeah.
What I'm looking forward to is being able to meet the people in the company and be able to show me around and be able to learn more things about what they do and the company in itself.
I'm hoping to kind of work in a good company where I can be that part of being professional.